D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's tap these letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Woohoo! Alphabet fun!
A for apple. B for ball. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for goat.
G,
H for hat.
H,
H for hat. I for igloo.
I,
I for igloo. J for joker.
J,
J for joker. K for kangaroo.
K,
K for kangaroo. L for lion.
L,
L for lion. M for mouse.
M,
M for mouse. N for nest.
N,
N for nest. O for owl.
O,
O for owl. P for pig.
P,
P for pig. Q for queen.
Q,
Q for queen. R for rabbit.
R,
R for rabbit. S for sun.
S,
S for sun. T for train.
T,
T for train. U for umbrella.
U,
U for umbrella. V for violin.
V,
V for violin. W for whale.
W,
W for whale. X for xylophone.
X,
X for xylophone. Y for yak.
Y,
Y for yak. Z for zebra.
Z.
Z for zebra.
Woohoo! Help the chicken to arrange letters in sequence.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
Great job!
I, J, K, L, M, N,
Terrific!
O, P, Q, R, S, T,
Intelligent!
U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Wow, you are such a good kid. Woohoo! Phonics.
A for apple. B for ball. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for goat. H for hat. I for igloo. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for mouse. N for nest. O for owl. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for train. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.